GitHub Enterprise to keep our code inside the firewall. Jenkins to do all of our build handling, continuous delivery stuff, that sort of thing. And the app itself, we'll use Django and Python because we can use a Python Swift client to integrate with our object store and list out those data sets in real time. Very convenient. So first thing we need is to set up Stackato. So going to create a new key pair for Stackato so that in case anybody needs to manage it manually, which actually does not come up in this case, but in case you did, this is good practice. Download the private key there just to make sure we have it. And going to go ahead and show you I've already loaded in the Stackato image. There's nothing special about this image. It is the image downloaded directly from the Stackato website. And I have a little provisioning tool that helps me spin up Stackato on our Nebula environments. And if the image were not already loaded, I would use the tool would load it for me. The script would load it for me. So I'm going to use a Python virtual environment here just to maintain my clean dependencies, and I'm going to use this provisioning tool I talked about called clip11, an open source Python project. You use a little env file to define what image and the security group, things like that. The provisioning script itself is just bash. I've got a couple of variables here, like the key name we created the private key for, and some DNS information. I'll talk more about the DNS in a minute, but for now, just understand that there's, again, no magic here. A lot of that would be loading up the image. It's launching a primary node and then some secondary nodes. And I'm just adjusting a timeout there because in my testing, it was right on the cusp. So I want to make sure that it has enough time to finish. So I need to do one last thing here. I'm going to download a credentials bundle, and this OpenRC file contains my kind of